Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble this children's ride-on electric vehicle. Be sure to keep your user guide handy for additional information about safety and assembly. Before you begin, make sure you have all the pieces. If anything is missing or damaged, it could compromise the structural integrity of your go-kart. Step 1. Install the rear tires. Begin by turning the vehicle upside down. Attach the rear axle assembly and fix it into place with the provided screws. Use the included screwdriver to tighten the screws. Next, slide one of the wheel motors onto each side of the back axle, carefully sliding the wires into the vehicle's battery compartment. Take care to place the correct motor on the correct side. Next, slide one washer onto the axle. The four wheels are all the same, so no need to worry about which one goes where. Slide one wheel onto one end of the axle, making sure that the inside of the tire fits snugly into the gearbox. Apply one washer and a lock nut. In order to tighten the back nuts, you'll need to repeat this process on the other side, then use the provided tools to tighten both lock nuts simultaneously. Step 2. Install the front wheels. You'll need to remove the front axle assembly from its storage place at the front of the vehicle. Remove the cotter pin and washer from both ends. Place the front axle support bar onto the square axle rod like this. Orient the front axle assembly like so, and feed it through the two holes of the square support bar, securing it underneath with a washer and a cotter pin on each side. Make sure the end of the steering column fits through the hole on the front axle assembly. Slide a washer onto the end of the steering column and secure it with a cotter pin. You can use a pair of pliers to bend the cotter pin so it stays in place. Slide a washer onto one end of the axle, add a wheel, another washer, and secure everything with a lock nut. Use the provided wrench to tighten, then repeat this process on the other side. When you're ready, turn the vehicle back over. Step 3. Install the steering wheel. Remove the nut and screw from the steering wheel. Next, connect the power socket coming out of the steering wheel to the wires coming out of the vehicle's console. Wind the remaining wire up into the steering wheel and slide the steering wheel onto the steering column. Secure it in place with the nut and screw that you just removed from the steering wheel. Step 4. Connect the power. Locate the motor with the two wires and connect one end to the vehicle's power supply. Connect the other end to the second motor. Remove the white protective cap from the battery plug and connect the battery's power cord. Turn on the vehicle to make sure that it has power. Then test the forward and reverse switch to make sure the wheels turn in the right direction. If the wheels spin the opposite direction set by the control switch, the motors may be on the wrong side. You'll have to remove the wheels and swap the motors. Step 5. Install the seats. Connect the seat cushion to the seat back and press until it snaps into place. Slide the seat assembly into the back of the vehicle, lining up the clips to the corresponding holes to ensure a secure fit. The seat can be fixed into place using the provided screws. Step 6. Finishing touches. Snap the windshield into place at the front of the vehicle. Install the front fender, pressing firmly until it snaps into place. Press the rear fencing into place, and then add the decorative lights on the top bar. Snap on the side mirrors, and lastly, the wheel caps. Operation. Operating the vehicle is super easy. Turn it on by pressing the red button. The switch to the left of the power button toggles forward and reverse control. The center position is neutral. The button to the left of the forward-reverse control toggles between two different functions, driving and swagger. In swagger mode, the vehicle will rock back and forth, giving children a fun swaying motion for things like listening to music or reading. To make the vehicle go, just make sure the red button is set to run and engage the foot pedal. The vehicle will automatically stop whenever the pedal is disengaged. The console also features a USB port to connect a mobile device or MP3 player. There is a button for a horn and to play music programmed into the vehicle. You can switch between tracks and increase or decrease the volume by pressing and holding the corresponding buttons. Thanks for watching. We hope your child enjoys many miles of safe and happy riding.